G'day guys, Mr. Sluggish here, and today I'm doing a bit of a test. So I've been mucking around with a Sena Prism cube camera, which is mounted on the left hand side of the camera, left hand side of the helmet, and for today I've also mounted a Gopro Silver, and I've mounted that on top of the helmet itself. Now the reason I'm doing this today is I just want to see. I want to see whether the quality of the GoPro is a whole lot better than the Sena Prism tube. Now the Sena Prism tube that I've got is not the Wi-Fi version, which I think is a slightly bit better, so it's the base one, and I've liked it so far. I know the GoPro should have better images, better video quality if you like, but I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, hopefully if it all goes well, mix and match the different camera views so that you can, have a bit of an idea yourself about, the quality of both. Oh, by the way, the audio should be coming through the Sena Prism tube, because that's the other thing. The Prism tube has a microphone specifically for riding around on motorbikes and push bikes and things like that, whereas the audio from the GoPro comes out of the inbuilt mic. The Sena Prism tube also has an earpiece that sits inside your helmet, and it tells you when you switch it on and off, which is really handy. And if you've seen the things, they are a tube. That's a Sena Prism tube. But the cool thing about it is you can one-handed turn it on and off just by sliding a switch. Whereas the GoPro, with the gloves, it's a bit trickier to push the button. Not a lot trickier, but a little bit trickier. The other thing is too, the Prism tube is a hell of a lot more slimline than the GoPro. You drive around with a GoPro on your helmet, everyone looks at you saying what a hero. Which I'm not, I'm just out here mucking around having a bit of fun. Anyway, I'll do a bit of a ride and hopefully get a bit of a comparison between the two cameras, and you can make up your own mind.